Hello everyone, this is Nastaran Shivai from Iran. I am honored to be one of the jurors for GO48. I am really excited to be a part of this event. I encourage you to connect with Ski Chandigarh over GO48 in 2020. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hector Adrian Rodera. I am game designer and art director too, and I am the jury for GO48 2020, so I am excited. I think it's a great idea, this contest, so good luck and start your engines. Bye!
Hi, I am Nadeem Akhtar from Digitoons India. I am your jury at Go48 2020. This is a great initiative and I am excited to be part of it. Skill is a great idea. It is awesome to be connected with Skill Chandigarh over Go48 2020. Okay, see you there. Bye.